Hey, check this, according to Google Website Speed Checker, on desktop 99% performance, and mobile 91% performance. And according to GT Metrics, grade A, and 100% performance. Hey guys, welcome back to another fantastic video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to optimize your WordPress website speed performance step by step with only one plugin. If you want to speed up your website like this, please do not skip this video. Before watching this video, please smash this subscribe button, thumbs on this video, and comment on this video for more helpful content. Without wasting any time, let's get started this video. Most people ask me this question on Quora: does website speed affect SEO? In short, website speed does affect SEO. The faster your website loads, the better your SEO will be. This is because Google and other search engines take website speed into account when ranking websites. If your website is slow, it will likely rank lower than faster websites. First, go to your WordPress login dashboard, enter your username and password, and click on Sign In. After login into the WordPress dashboard, move your mouse cursor to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search 10Web, and install this 10Web Booster plugin. After installing this plugin, click on Activate this plugin. Pop-up windows show, simply click on Sign Up and connect to this website. I already have an account on 10Web, I simply go to the login page. And login into your 10Web website dashboard. 10Web automatically analyzes and optimizes your website. Just wait a few seconds, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. You can also manually add a website for analysis. This is a very important step, do not skip this step. Go to the 10Web and click on website which you want to optimize, scroll down, and add website pages to optimize for maximum performance. For example, go to your website. Copy the About Us page link, and paste it into the URL optimizer of 10Web, and click on Optimize. Repeat this step, go to your website, and copy the instructor's page link, and paste it into URL optimizer, and click on Optimize. Again, go to your website, and copy the All Courses page link, and paste it into URL optimizer, and click on Optimize. Copy the Contact Us page link, and again paste it into URL optimizer, and click on Optimize. You can only optimize 5 pages in a 10Web free plan. In the last step, go to the Google Web Page Speed Checker. Copy the website link and paste it and click on Check. Wait for a few seconds. Wow, amazing, your website gains maximum performance. I hope guys you love this video. Please smash the subscribe button and like this video for the more helpful content.